To run an emergency lighting calculation, you must first assign certain fixtures in your model as emergency. If you are using a Revit model that you import into LightStanza, you can use LightStanza parameters in Revit to define which fixtures you want to mark as emergency. If you're marking fixtures as emergency in LightStanza, you can either mark entire groups of fixtures or you can mark the individual instances. To mark the entire family, simply navigate to your Luminaire Manager, select the family you want, and select the EM button. If you wish to manage individual instances and mark them emergency that way, navigate to the individual instances and select the specific fixtures that you wish to mark emergency. Notice when you run your mouse over a certain fixture, it'll highlight in your model. You may also see that by selecting this fixture, it highlights that specific fixture in the model so that you can identify which fixtures you are marking as emergency. To run an emergency lighting calculation, navigate to your activity panel on the right-hand side of your screen. Select New Simulation, Grid Illuminance, and under Simulation Options, make sure that you check the Emergency Lighting Calculation. You can then set your grid settings as normal as well as your simulation quality. Click Start Simulation to start your emergency simulation. When you complete your emergency calculation, you can compare it to other activities that you have on your Activities panel. Click the Compare Activities button. You can then select the two activities that you wish to compare. This has been a tutorial video on running emergency lighting calculations in Electric LightStanza.